The recurring schedules feature within the Sola merchant portal provides a reliable way to set up automatic payments, saving you time versus manually processing payments. This feature is handy for subscription services, membership-based businesses, or for setting up payment installments. The recurring schedule module shows you all your customers on an automatic payment schedule. The columns display all the relevant information for each schedule, including the recurring ID, schedule name, customer name, email, frequency, amount, and more. You can filter for specific schedules by inputting your parameters in the column fields or using the Add Filter button to set your criteria. There are many ways to set up recurring schedules from the Sola merchant portal. Let's start by learning how to create a template across your customer database. If your business frequently uses the exact recurring schedules, common with subscription tiers or membership plans, our recurring schedule template tool will save you time. With the click of a button, you can create a custom template that can be applied to future customers. For example, a gym or health club typically charges a monthly fee until customers cancel their membership. So in this case, we would select monthly, enter the amount, set the number of payments to indefinite, and click Save. This template is now available across your database to apply to customers who make a monthly membership payment. As you'll see next, this recurring schedule template will be visible as an option when adding a schedule to a customer record. Adding a recurring schedule to an existing customer is easy. In the Customers module, we select a customer from the list and navigate to Schedule. From here, choose Add Schedule. Enter the schedule's details or select a template from the Schedule Name field to automatically populate the fields from an existing template. After saving this schedule, you can use the secondary menu to deactivate it. Save it as a template, preview upcoming payments, view past payments, view the full details of the schedule, or remove it. You can also access this detailed view by navigating to the Recurring Schedules module and selecting the schedule you want to view and edit. Note that multiple recurring schedules can be applied to any one customer. The green checkmark icon denotes active schedules, while inactive schedules have a red X icon. While viewing the detailed view of a specific schedule, you can click the bottom right menu button to delete the schedule or send a payment request to your customer with pre-filled billing information. Next, the New Transaction button lets you quickly process a one-time transaction. If you need to add a recurring schedule for a new customer not yet entered in your database, simply click the New Customer button on the Recurring Schedules screen. You can also use the plus button on the left navigation or navigate to the Customers module and click New. The pop-up form allows you to enter all of your customers' basic information and recurring schedule details. Use the Maximize view to complete additional fields and easily navigate the various sections of the customer's record, including the recurring schedule. The Settings module gives you a variety of options to set your preferences for recurring schedules. Here you can apply various recurring schedule settings. Under Retry Settings, determine what you'd like the system to do if a payment method fails. Due to risk concerns, retries are limited to a maximum of 3 on new merchant accounts. The email settings allow you to send your customer a receipt each time a recurring payment occurs. You can also elect to send yourself a daily summary of recurring payments by selecting the checkbox and entering your email address. If you select the last checkbox, you'll receive an email when the maximum number of payment retries has been reached. Need one-on-one support? Our friendly team of support experts is only a phone call away. Let us know how we can help.